Hi buds, welcome back to my channel. So today I am continuing my subscription box addiction and doing an unboxing of the Bombay and Cedar subscription box. So Bombay and Cedar is like a luxury, cruelty-free, vegan, and like healthy living subscription box. And first of all, I think their packaging is really pretty. So every month Bombay and Cedar has a theme, and the theme for this month is escape, which I think is very like applicable to summer. I know a lot of people's work environments are like kind of chilling out a little bit. It's a little bit more lax, a lot of people going on vacation. So I thought this was really cool, and Bombay and Cedar actually reached out to me. So they did send me this box for free to review for you guys, but this is not sponsored and all opinions are my own. So the first thing I'm seeing in here looks like it's a Turkish towel. There's like little bits of paper that I have to get off of it. Ooh, this is really nice quality. It's like red and cream, and it's got little tassels on it. So this is what it looks like. It's really cute. Let's see what their little guide says about it. So this is a $44 value, which is awesome because that's like as much as the subscription box is, pretty much. And it's by the brand Eastern Boho, and it says, extremely lightweight, super absorbent, and quick drying. These towels are incredibly versatile. They make the perfect beach towels, bath towels, travel towels, throw rugs, and can even be used as scarves. And then it looks like it came in a lot of different colors, but I got the red one. So on the very bottom here is, this says, this journal is going places, and it's a little travel journal. Oh, how cute is this? So it's for multiple trips. So it looks like for your first trip, you start with like the research you're doing and like the things you want to do on your vacation. It's got like your itinerary and then like the actual travel journal part. And this has like, what do you call this? Vinyl, like a vinyl casing on it. So I feel like it would hold up in a suitcase pretty well. This is cute. I wish that I had had this on my Thailand trip because it would have been really fun to document it like this, although I did do videos, so that was cool too. And that is the brand Knock Knock Stuff, and it's a $15 value. Ooh, okay, so there's also some aloe vera gel in here, which is hypoallergenic, cruelty-free, and vegan, which is really cool because I feel like a lot of like sun care and after sun care products are not cruelty-free, to my eternal frustration. Like, I use the Alba Botanica sunscreen, and it's the only affordable sunscreen that I could find that's like cruelty-free and doesn't have oxybenzones in it, which, by the way, make sure that your sunscreen doesn't have oxybenzone in it because it gets into the ocean if you're going to the beach and harms the coral reefs. Ooh, it's cucumber and aloe scented. Ooh, it smells good. Oh yeah, if you were sunburned, this would be bomb. The next thing in here is this little stainless steel, oh my gosh, it looks like it's a lint roller maybe? So I'll show you guys. This little lint roller, and it's pink. I actually think it's plastic. It looks like stainless steel though. Oh, that's so cute. Oh yeah, you can like lint roll your stuff. You could keep this in like a suitcase. It's like nice and compact. That's cute. By the way, this is by Babo Botanicals, and it's a $15 value. And then this little guy is by Flint, like it says on it, and it is a $10 value. And it comes with 30 sheets, so I feel like that's pretty good. That's cute. Something I never would have like thought to buy. This is like the bougiest lint roller ever. Okay, there's still some more things in here. So there is an Enjoy Life Chewy Bar. It's a $1 value, just a nice little snacky snack. And then, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, I have to show you guys this. So this is a little roller ball. It's by the brand, I'm gonna butcher this, but Love by Jamie, I'm not sure. But it says Earth, and it's got these little crystals in it. I really like the design of this. Ooh, what does that smell like? You know what it smells like? It smells like the Glossier You perfume, but like the essential oil version. Ooh, I really like that. It is very earthy. That's a very good name for it. Oh, okay, so it says it's for protection, grounding, love, balance, adventure, and prosperity. All right, I like all those things. I need the balance. I'm a little bit of a klutz. I know that's not what it means, but, and that is a $24 value. Wow, that's expensive for this little thing. Company must be like fancy. Then this is something by ORG Skincare. It's the Oxygen Cleanser Bubble Mask, and it's just a little sample size. So it's just a little guy. It's a $5 value, but it's always good to have these little cleansers for when you travel, because I don't know what it is, but my cleanser always explodes in my suitcase, and it's a pain in the butt. So, and then the last thing in here is the Bombay and Cedar brand essential oils. They put 2 essential oils in every one of their boxes, and what I thought was really cool about these is all their essential oils are like kind of off the beaten path ones that you probably don't already have. So this time I got Roman Chamomile and Palmarosa, and this one is kind of like a fruity scent and like a rose petal scent had a baby, and then this one literally smells like chamomile tea. And I have already been using these because I love them so much. They're 100% pure essential oils. Obviously they're cruelty free, so you can diffuse these or you can use these topically because they are 100% pure, so they're not life dangerous for you. I just think these are so cool, and I'm really interested to try out different blends with them too, like the Roman Chamomile and like a rose or even like a lemon would be super cool. So I'm really excited about these. I'll show them to you guys close up. And these are just your standard 10 milliliter bottles. And it's also cool because they give you these little cards for the essential oils, and they tell you like the benefits of it, any precautions, like if you're pregnant or you have sensitive skin and a certain oil might be irritating to you, it'll let you know that, and it'll also tell you what they blend well with, which is really cool. Hey, the chamomile one set has rose and lemon in the list. I knew that, humble brag. So yeah, that is the Bombay and Cedar box. It runs for just under $50. I'll leave a link down in the description box below if you are interested in trying it out for yourself. I love essential oils, and I love that this has such a variety of products. A lot of them are like really practical. Like you've got the Lint Roller and the Aloe. Like these are things that I would need to buy anyway. And so I just get like a nicer, cooler, a little bit more ethical version of those. And then you've also got some fun stuff like the roller ball and the essential oils, which are really unique, and I couldn't just like walk into Sprouts and get these. And I also love that they encourage like mindfulness, and there's always something like this in their boxes, whether it's like a couple months ago I saw there was like a positivity guide, or there's like a journal, or like conversation prompts or journaling prompts. There's always something like that that really encourages you to be mindful and check in with yourself and your mental health. And I think that is really, really cool twist on the subscription box. Let me know in the comments down below if you would be interested in getting the Bombay and Cedar box, and also let me know if you like this whole subscription box trend thing that I have going on my channel, because I'm obsessed with them. So if you guys are interested, I will keep reviewing them, and yeah, let me know if there are any out there that you are curious about that you'd like me to try. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate having you here. An extra big thank you if you have made it this far into the video. If you enjoyed this, I would really, really love if you would give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that you can see more affordable and ethical lifestyle content from me in the future. Until then though, I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are, and I'll see you with my next video. Bye.